Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming back. We want to thank you for all the support so far. You know what I mean? The last couple of videos you guys showed up. So I appreciate it. You know what I mean? Thanks for the support. And I'm looking forward for your support. You know what I mean? And continue watching the videos, of course. Go on YouTube, subscribe and like and share our videos. Today's topic is basically why the Haitian migrants, when coming to the US, we either go towards a 4-year degree versus basically join the workforce immediately without a degree. You know what I mean? So, um, me personally, it took me like a very long time to basically finished up the my degree. You know what I mean? So I can understand the hurdles that comes with the decision to go into school when you come here, especially if you don't have a support system, you know what I mean, to make the process easier. So, so yeah, having to, focus and with dedication and motivation. So I stuck with it until I finished. But if you don't have a mother or a family member that willing to support you throughout that journey, it's a very difficult journey. You know what I mean? Because having to work full time and having to go to school full time, and you still need time to study and to sleep. You know what I mean? It's like it's very tight. It's very hard. You know what I mean? So I can understand why some people just give up. You know, at some point, I felt like giving up too. So I empathize with that, and if you were to just join the workforce immediately, there's nothing wrong with that neither. You know what I mean? Because hey, it's the same money. Well, almost the same money, but I get you get to put yourself in a position where you can support your family, which is the priority ultimately. So yeah, so it's that simple. If you come here, you have a support system. It's easier for you to just go to a 4-year degree school or something like that. Especially for STEM, like science, technology, engineering, and math. It's just like those fields, they're very, very challenging, and it is a lot more difficult than the fields that are outside of the STEM curriculum. So yeah, if you just came, or you've been here for some times and you feel like maybe school is the way out, I encourage you to do it, but you have to stick with it. You have to stick with it because it's a lot of money, and it's a lot of time. It's a lot of dedication, and it's not easy. You just have to want it, and so you can get it. You know what I mean? So and some people, they just decide to, I don't know, do other things like trucking or some other industry that doesn't really require like a 4-year degree. So and they make enough money to support themselves and some family members. So yeah, it's not the end of the world, man. But if you want to be an engineer, yeah, you have to buckle up. If you want to be a nurse or a doctor or anything like that, you have to buckle up because it's real. You feel me? So, and then there was another argument as far as that is like, oh, why would, like, especially the Nigerians, bro, they're like on top of their game. You know what I mean? And we're trying to compare them with us, like Haitians, and it's like it's not the same thing, man. Because I think, obviously, my opinion. So I don't know if other people may have a different take on that. Yeah. So their family structure is very strong. You know what I mean? So it's very difficult to see a Nigerian here in not having a very strong family system, which enable some ease into the process of getting a degree. So I would say that just like that's not just Nigerian, the Chinese too. You know what I mean? Because their family system is very strong. And again, if you want to be successful and you want to be having the tomorrow that you've always wanted, um, first of all, the family system is a must. And if you don't have it, that's when you have to buckle up even more and get it done. You know what I mean? So yeah, so family is first, and second, dedication on top of dedication to get it done. So in my case, I didn't have like a family support per se, like paying my school or paying my bills in the meantime while I'm going to school or anything like that. So I had to basically work, go to school, study, and barely sleep. So and it took me longer than average, but I ultimately finished. So, and it was in the STEM field. So it's doable, but you have to, buckle up. You have to get it done. If you start, you must finish. Just if you don't feel like doing it, don't even start, because it's a waste of money, because these things are very expensive. School is very very expensive here. So welcome, and get yourself situated. Again, go to our YouTube channel. It's Moses Show on YouTube. And our Instagram is the same, Moses Show. Moses _show _ YouTube on Instagram. Follow us and keep in touch. And go down in the comment, just give your opinion. Maybe I missed something, and maybe I could go live some days and we could talk about this. Maybe you have a different experience. Maybe you have a different take on that. You know what I mean? Let's engage here. You know what I mean? Let's engage. I appreciate you guys. Again, support us by following and like and share. You know what I mean? So